The management system or app reports alarm 20821 or 20822. Disable the network. Upgrade the inverter and smart assistant software to the latest versions. Commission device. Enable the network. Scan the QR code on the device to connect to the device. Log in using an account. Maintenance. Upgrade. Select devices. Upgrade. Use the following solution for troubleshooting. 20821 alarm. Check the RS485 signal cable connection. Check whether the RS485 signal cable to the smart guard is short-circuited, reversely connected, open-circuited, loosely connected, or incorrectly connected. Check whether the RS485 signal cable to the MAP0 inverter is short-circuited, reversely connected, open-circuited, loosely connected, or incorrectly connected. Check whether the RS485 signal cable to the M1 or MB0 inverter is short-circuited, reversely connected, open-circuited, loosely connected, or incorrectly connected. 20822 alarm. Check the DO signal cable connection. Check whether the DO signal cable to the smart guard is short-circuited, reversely connected, open-circuited, loosely connected, or incorrectly connected. Check whether the DO signal cable to the MAP0 inverter is short-circuited, reversely connected, open-circuited, loosely connected, or incorrectly connected. Check whether the DO signal cable to the M1 or MB0 inverter is short-circuited, reversely connected, open-circuited, loosely connected, or incorrectly connected. Check that the inverter AC input circuit breaker of the smart guard is turned on. Check that the external circuit breaker or residual current device between the inverter and the smart guard is turned on.